Can you really fix a broken cymbal? The short answer, not really. So, no. But in this video, I'll explain why that's the case and, more importantly, how to prevent cymbal damage in the first place. Stick around because I'll share key tips on playing techniques and cymbal care that will save you money and keep your cymbals sounding great for years. Hey, Developing Beatmaster, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Today's topic is a common but frustrating issue. Can you fix a broken cymbal? Whether you've cracked a favourite crash or chipped an old ride, you might be tempted to repair it. But is it worth it? I'll break down why fixing cymbals isn't the best solution and, more importantly, how to avoid breaking them in the first place by improving your technique and setup. Let's dive in. First, let's address the burning question. Can you fix a broken cymbal? The short answer, no. Once a cymbal cracks or breaks, it's nearly impossible to restore it to its original sound and durability, or even an acceptable sound. Even if you try welding or cutting the damaged area, the cymbal's tone and structural integrity are compromised. A fixed cymbal often loses its resonance, sustain, and balance, making it more of a temporary solution than a real fix. Why cymbals break. Let's look at the two main reasons cymbals break. Poor quality cymbals. If you're using entry-level or low-quality cymbals, they're more likely to crack. Budget cymbals are often made from less durable alloys and can't handle the same wear and tear as higher quality cymbals. If you're experiencing frequent breaks, it might be time to invest in better gear, as well as take note of the next point. Improper technique. Technique plays a huge role in cymbal longevity. Here are some key points to consider. Don't hit the cymbal harder for more volume. Cymbals have a natural volume limit, and striking them harder won't make them louder. It'll just wear them out and damage them faster. Understand the cymbal's role. Each cymbal is designed to produce a specific sound. Treat it as a musical instrument, not as a trash can lid to bash on. Strike with a glancing motion. For crashes, aim for a sweeping in and out motion along the cymbal's edge, either sweeping from the left or right, depending on your choice. Avoid hitting directly into the cymbal. This focused impact causes cracks. Keep the cymbal loose. Make sure your center wing nut isn't over-tightened. Cymbals need to move freely to absorb the energy of your strikes. If they're too tight, the force can't dissipate, which can lead to stress fractures. Prevention is key. Instead of worrying about how to fix broken cymbals, focus on preventing damage in the first place. Here's how. Invest in high-quality and durable cymbals. Opt for professional-grade cymbals made from high-quality alloys. Brands like Zildjian, Sabian and Paste offer options designed to withstand intense use while maintaining great tone. Practice proper technique. Spend time perfecting your striking motion. The sweeping motion I mentioned earlier not only protects your cymbals, but also produces a fuller, richer sound. Regular maintenance. Keep your cymbals clean and inspect them for small cracks. Catching damage early can help you avoid worsening the problem during gigs or rehearsals, but once a crack begins to develop, it's really time to think about replacing the cymbal. Use cymbal sleeves and felts. Always use protective hardware like plastic cymbal sleeves and felts. These prevent metal-on-metal contact, reducing wear on the mounting holes and extending your cymbal's lifespan. What if a cymbal does break? If you've already broken a cymbal, you have a few options. Repurpose it. Some drummers cut down broken cymbals to create smaller effect cymbals or stacks. While these won't sound like the original, they can still add unique textures to your kit, especially if you're an engineer of sorts. Recycle it. Many manufacturers offer recycling programs or discounts on new cymbals when you trade in broken ones. I have never experienced this service, preferring to simply replace the broken cymbal, but I have heard about it. A simple search on the internet will reveal some recycling options. Learn from it. Evaluate why the cymbal broke. Was it poor quality, bad technique, or a hardware issue? Use this as a chance to improve your setup and approach. So, can you fix a broken cymbal? Not really, but with the right technique, equipment and care, you can avoid breaking them in the first place. Treat your cymbals like the musical instruments they are, and they'll reward you with great sound and longevity. In the next video, we'll tackle another essential topic. How should I tune my resonant heads? I'll share tips for achieving the perfect tone and balance in your drum setup.